Jai Jawan, Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, the legend who was India's greatest general. Sam Manekshaw was arguably the greatest soldier the Indian Army has ever produced, a quintessential soldier who would go on to serve as the chief of the army staff. He is best remembered as the man who masterminded India's victory in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 that led to the liberation of Bangladesh. The first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the highest military rank of Field Marshal, Manekshaw travelled the world, led the Indian Army and fought in 5 different wars. In the end, he settled down in the serene, Nilgreen town of Coonoor with his wife Sillu. It is here that he spent the last 3 decades of his life before passing away in 2008. As the chief of the army staff, Sam's service to the nation is immense as he united the army, navy and air force into a team, helping India win against Pakistan in 1965 and even more significantly the 1971 Indo-Pakistan War that led to the liberation of Bangladesh. Born to Parsi parents, Hormusji Manekshaw and Hirabai on 3rd April 1914 in Amritsar, India's first Field Marshal Sam Hormusji Framji Jamshedji Manekshaw, also fondly known as Sam Bahadur, was initially given the name Cyrus, but one of his aunts changed it to Sam because she had heard that a Parsi called Cyrus had been sent to jail and she considered the name would prove unlucky for her nephew. Sam, who completed his education from Punjab and Sherwood College in Nainital with distinction in the school certificate examination of the Cambridge Board, had requested his father to send him to London so that he could study medicine. However, his father didn't grant his wish, saying that he was too young to stay abroad on his own. In an act of rebellion, Manekshaw sat for the Indian Military Academy IMA entrance examination and as a result became part of the first intake of 40 cadets on 1st October 1932 in Dehradun. Sam Manekshaw was an Indian military leader who was the first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal. His distinguished military career spanned 4 decades and 5 wars, beginning with the British Indian Army during World War II. Manekshaw rose to be the 8th Chief of Staff of the Indian Army in 1969 and under his leadership, Indian forces liberated Bangladesh in December 1971 in just 13 days. Manekshaw's first major military campaign was in World War II when he served as a captain with the 4/12 Frontier Force Regiment in Burma in 1942. In the battle for the Sitang Bridge, Sam Bahadur inspired his troops to victory against the Japanese. During the offensive, in which he led from the front, Sam fell to the ground after being shot at 9 times, but he kept on encouraging his soldiers to fight, ultimately clinching the crucial Sitang Bridge. When the divisional commander Sir Covens heard of Sam's bravery, the general rushed to the battle site, took off his own military cross and pinned it on Sam's chest, anointing him with the Gallantry Medal, which is awarded to the living. Such was the respect Manekshaw commanded in the military world that when he visited Nepal after liberating Bangladesh, King Mahendra conferred on him the title and sword of Honorary General of the Royal Nepal Army. This was the beginning of a tradition whereby the chiefs of the 2 neighboring countries are made generals in each other's armies. One of the most celebrated generals of the Indian Army, Manekshaw was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1972. The charismatic general also rarely stood on ceremony. As Chairman Chiefs of Staff Committee once said, it was Manekshaw's plain speak that helped achieve jointness among the 3 services. This was evidenced by the synergized operations that resulted in the Indian Army achieving what no other army has done since World War II, liberating a nation. In fact, when he was asked to go to Dhaka to accept the surrender of the Pakistani forces, Manekshaw declined the honor, saying that it belonged to the Eastern Army commander, Lieutenant General Jagjit Singh Arora. This gesture illustrates why he was respected by all who served under or came into contact with him. Talking of his courage in standing up to the polity, it's impossible to forget his audacity in looking straight into the eyes of an all-powerful Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and steadfastly refusing to follow her orders of launching immediate military operations against East Pakistan, pointing out that it would be premature and inopportune. He also told her in no uncertain terms that if she did not agree, she could appoint a different general. Such a forthright response is perhaps unthinkable today. Sam's outspoken behavior and his tiffs with the bureaucracy meant that India's greatest general never received the respect he truly deserved. Although Manekshaw was conferred the rank of Field Marshal in 1973, it was reported that he was not given the complete allowances to which he was entitled. It was not until 2007 that President APJ Abdul Kalam met Manekshaw in Wellington and presented him with a check for rupees 1.3 crore, his arrears to pay for over 30 years. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.